Hey guys, it's Kristen again at Cooking and Accounting, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, really delicious cauliflower fried rice. Now you can use diced cauliflower for this, or you can just use plain rice. But I thought today something a little different, some cauliflower fried rice. So here's a list of ingredients you're going to need to make that delicious recipe.
You're going to need 1.5 cups of riced cauliflower, 1/4 cup of carrots, 1/4 cup of peas, and 1/4 cup of onion, 1 full egg, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce or liquid aminos, and a little bit of extra olive oil.
Okay, I've been cooking my bag of diced or riced cauliflower in the microwave for the time it said, 5.5 minutes. Now it's going to be really warm. This is about 1.5 cups of cauliflower rice. Get it open here. You can absolutely do this with 1.5 cups of already cooked rice, regular white rice, but this is going to be cauliflower for today. What we're going to do is we're going to take our cauliflower and we're going to get a bowl or whatever you have, put some paper towel in it. What we're going to do is we're going to drain out all the moisture out of this cauliflower. Careful, it's going to be really hot. Now obviously you don't have to do this if you use white rice, but for the cauliflower, you do. So we're just gonna put it in here, and then we're just gonna, might be kind of hard to show you how to do this. We're just gonna let the paper towel soak up all the moisture of this cauliflower. You can see that it's getting kind of, so we're gonna let that sit and soak up while we saute up some 1/4 cup of peas, 1/4 cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of onions, and a little bit of extra with a little bit of extra olive oil. I'm gonna fry this up. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Season these. We're gonna cook these down so they're nice and soft. We're going to scramble the egg. Kind of just move the vegetables off to the side, as you can see. And we're just going to whip this egg up just a little bit. Just like that. Okay. And we're just going to incorporate it in with these vegetables. Okay. I have my temperature down kind of on low at this point because we don't want to burn anything. Everything's cooked up really, really well. Okay, incorporate that egg. My pan is kind of sticking a little, but that's okay. So now we're going to add our cauliflower. You can see me here. Okay. So we're getting all of that moisture out the best we can. So we're just going to add the cauliflower to our pan. Okay. Just going to mix it all up. Now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, or I use the liquid aminos, but you can use either one. We're going to try and see if this is enough. If it needs a little bit more, then we'll add a little bit more. Smells so good. That's it, guys. Cauliflower fried rice. Hope you try it.